UK NordVPN users woke up to a big surprise. The app wouldn't load, the site wouldn't open, and even reinstalling didn't work. Reddit started buzzing with complaints, but the real reason behind this might surprise you. Oh, and quick heads up, NordVPN's running a massive limited time deal right now. I'll share the full details at the end. But first, here's what actually happened. According to a Reddit post by user RSB418, several UK users suddenly couldn't log into NordVPN or even access its website. Others chimed in. Same issue, especially with Sky and Virgin broadband. Turns out it wasn't NordVPN's fault. The culprit was ISP level blocking. Some UK ISPs, like Sky, had randomly started restricting NordVPN traffic. If you're in the UK and facing the same issue, try these quick fixes. 1. Turn off parental controls in your ISP settings. 2. Use mobile data temporarily to access NordVPN support. 3. Or switch DNS servers manually. The good news? The issue is now resolved, and NordVPN remains one of the fastest, most secure VPNs for streaming, privacy, and online safety. Right now, NordVPN is running a massive discount. 74% off their 2-year plan plus 4 free months. That's just $3.09 per month with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you haven't tried it yet, you can grab this offer from my link in the description. It directly supports the channel and costs you nothing extra. Stay secure, stay private, and I'll see you in the next video.